Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change pin lock password to pattern lock password in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, lock our screen and try to unlock our phone. I have enabled pin lock here. Okay. Now I would like to change this pin lock to pattern lock. What I got to do is go to the settings first, then go to lock screen. Then click on screen lock type. Here you go to enter your current pin for authentication. Click on continue. Now click on pattern and draw the pattern that you want to set. Click on continue. Again draw the same pattern to verify. Click on confirm. And if you would like to turn on remote unlock, use turn on, otherwise cancel it and go to home screen and lock your screen. Now your screen lock will be pattern. Okay, so you have to enter your current pattern to unlock your phone. So I have changed my password from pin to pattern in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.